Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe. So for lunch, I went on a picnic. In my last video, I made sushi burritos, so go check that out if you haven't. I tried making kimbap this time using cooked sushi rice, spam, which I already fried with oil, roasted seaweed and yellow and red bell peppers, and cucumber, which I fried in sesame oil and salt. The reason why this was my brunch is because I ate whilst making, of course. Seeming as I'm just using one seaweed sheet, you don't actually have to put so much inside. I kind of overdid it with the rice, which is why it was harder to roll. I forgot to mention I mixed salt and sesame oil inside the rice. Seeming as there's a lot of sauces I can't have, I'm using ketchup, which goes well with spam. I don't usually eat spam, but I just wanted to try it out. It's not exactly the healthiest option, so you can definitely add other things. For my husband's, all I did was put kimchi and Kewpie mayo instead of ketchup. And yeah, this first one was a total disaster. The second and third attempt came out quite nicely. We ate this with strawberries and I had a few pistachios as well, and that was my lunch. For dinner we had steak. We've had this several times before and it's so good. My husband is better at cooking this, so I just filmed. We even made homemade fries, but I'll include that in another video. Also, we had portobello mushrooms and onion. So first we defrosted the beef, dried it and added rosemary since I'm intolerant to thyme. And then we added salt and black pepper, put it in the fridge whilst prepping other things. I can't have garlic, so we added onions whilst cooking the steak. It's not necessary, but it adds some flavor. There's so much I can't eat outside, so it forces me to be creative at home with my one and only stove. Lucky I have a husband who likes cooking. I'm not gonna lie, I'm really struggling when it comes to thinking about what to eat. But this is proof that you can cook anything you want, even in a tiny house. And yeah, don't lose all hope if you have a billion intolerances like me. Just to add, I like to have a lot for lunch and dinner, therefore I don't snack in between. Because I eat home cooked foods every day, it helps me to maintain my weight, seeming as I know all the ingredients going into my food. And here you have steak on top of guacamole, which is totally random but delicious, Brussels sprouts, cherry tomatoes, onion, and homemade fries. For dessert, I was craving chocolate and it's been really hot here in Hong Kong, so I've been loving this ice cream by Happy Cow.